transformation.
I am in the right place at the right time with the right people to receive my goods.
Change.
I tried to function in my life as a young man, in my teens, in my 20s, with the theology of my childhood, and it didn't really work.
Wholeness.
Your consciousness, your thoughts, your belief, your perceptions, your positionality, perspective is determining your experience.
Oneness.
That there is no separation between us and anything. There is only one thing happening around us.
Greatness.
I teach that we don't try to manifest in order to get things. We learn how to manifest in order to get free so that we can deliver our gifts on the planet.
Liberation.
There's something that you were given uniquely that the whole world needs.
The author, host, and spiritual life coach, Kevin Ross, is launching the innovative talk show, Liberate Your Spirit. A show that dares to explore our magnificence.
Stay tuned, we'll be right back.